Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change phone date in your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to change guys phone date in your Vivo phone, so as you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change phone date in your Vivo phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change phone date. Then guys, scroll it. Guys, click on phone system setting and guys click on date and time. So as you can see date setting, so as tap here. So you want to change date, so as you can change from here. Like suppose guys now you want to change into guys September, so as you can see this September, October, November, December. So like that guys. So guys, if I take guys this September 7, and guys you can see this OK option. So guys tap here. So your phone date will change like that guys. You can use and guys you can change your phone date. So as you can see 7 September Wednesday. So I hope friends you have understood how to change phone date in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.